Have you ever copied something important, like a code snippet, an address, or a password, only to copy something else a few seconds later and lose the first one completely? That's where today's tool comes in, a clipboard manager for Chrome that can seriously level up your productivity. Before we dive in, let's quickly talk about Chrome extensions. These are small tools you can add to your browser to enhance its functionality. Think of them as plugins for your browser. Whether you want to block ads, manage tabs, take screenshots, or boost your writing, there's probably a Chrome extension for it. Now, the clipboard. Normally, your system clipboard only remembers the last thing you copied. That's it. One copy, and anything before it is gone forever. A clipboard manager solves this by remembering everything you've copied over time. You can scroll back through your clipboard history and recopy or paste any item whenever you want. Super useful, right? One of the best free tools for this is called Clipboard History Pro. It's simple, powerful, and available right in the Chrome Web Store. Just search for Clipboard History Pro, click Install, and you're good to go. Once it's installed, you'll see a small icon in your browser's toolbar. Click it, and you'll see a full list of your recent clipboard entries, text, links, code, anything. You can even search through them, pin the most important ones, and paste any item directly into a text box or editor. No more switching between tabs or reopening documents just to copy something again. It's one of those little tools that quietly transforms the way you work. Install it today and take control of your copy-paste life. You won't look back.